Hello, Virgos. What's up, guys? How are you all doing? I hope that the readings are resonating with you people. Everything is going well in your life as well. What do we get? Let's check out through the cards for the mid-May month. These are general readings, dear. So take what resonates and do leave the rest. For the personal reading, come up, join us through the tarotsharkit@gmail.com. The descriptions are there, so you can just go. Wait a minute, what's happening? Yeah, check out there in the description box. The details are definitely over there. What else can we say? Yeah, comment down regarding how much it's resonating. Like it, share it with the partners, with the friends and family members who you want to share, and tell it to them. Okay, what's happening? Virgos, let's check your energies. Universe. Okay, this was a card that just popped out before as well, I think. What is the second card? Eight of Cups. What is the bottom of the deck? Four of Pentacles. Virgos, some things are getting cooked over here. Okay. Universe, please do guide us. Why have the cards come up and it's popped out for my lovely, lovely Virgos? What is it that they want to know, they want to enter within? Okay, Universe. Yes, please, I have to say here, what the universe is guiding, it's really important to hear out. Universe says here some things. Yes, universe, please do guide us for the Virgo people mid-May month. What do we get? I think clarity. Clarity is really, really coming up. In your ways, the clarity is really, really coming up. It is really telling that you need to be finding someone, but you are going to be very clear with what you are seeking. There is also walking away thing. Walking away is also definitely a strong figure seen over you. Virgos, I think some kind of misunderstandings is here very much in front of your partner. They somewhere made you feel insecure. They somewhere tried to make you feel jealous. They were, I feel, involved with some other partners as well, or they try to do two timing, something like that, which is a very bigger portion which is coming up, and this is very differently seen, in the very major perspective which I can say, and it's revealing here is that Virgos, you need to be very much active. You have made your decision. You are really, really feeling to walk away. You're thinking to walk away. What else? Universe, please to guide us. What else do we have for the Virgos people in the mid-May month? What do we have? What are the energies they are gathering is important to understand and to look. Okay, wait. We have the Two of Pentacles, guys. See, I said you. Three of Wands. And interesting, bottom of the deck. See, the Justice is here. When I'm showing you this card, this is really important for you to understand, my lovely Virgos. It is so different. You see, the cards are really repeating itself to say this thing, that you do not want to stay with this individual because of a lot of misunderstandings, a lot of strong jugglings. You cannot clarify your thoughts, and a right decision making is not happening. I don't see it happening, Virgos. Why, I don't know, but it is just not happening. You're still waiting. You're still in a position where you feel you're giving, I feel that you have given chances to them, Virgos. You're still giving a chance to them, but I think the chances which you gave, they literally ruined each of them was ruined by this individual. You have really thought that I need to get away from them, get out from this particular shit whichever is happening, and you're no more interested, Virgos, to gather any thoughts, to have any kind of discussions, or any kind of feelings as well, is what I can see. You're strongly in this particular sense that you want to know the truths, you want to know the lies, because they have spoken lies. What else? Anything else, universe? You are guided for the Virgo people for the mid-May month. What they want to understand and know. Please, please do universe guide us for the lovely. Okay. Abundance. Queen of Cups. I feel here that is happening. That is happening, and that was really, really happening and coming over. The universe wants you to shine. The universe wants you to not to get into trap of some kind of people who are ugly inside. They misused you, but you are a good person. You're a good man, you're a good woman. You just have to ensure about your own happiness, about your own success in the life and the future, my lovely Virgos. The kind of love and appreciation is handled over here. You're gonna shower a lot of Mars love over here, I feel you. Virgos, I think, you are someone who is very pure. You're someone who always wants to make the other person happy. You're too much practical in your ways. You're too much grounded. Even if you're extremely rich, you won't show the person that kind of richness. You're not that. So you are a true soul, guys. You're loving this individual unconditionally, but they are not realizing this fact. And so you came to this decision of walking away. You cannot make this individual understand. They're not a right person to actually understood. They cannot understand things. They have this perception, different perception to live life, to lead life in that way. And you always showered love. You always supported them in every ups and downs of their life. But they did something, and this decision is what you cannot make. There's a strong juggling coming up. You're choosing someone to walk away from them. You're choosing this individual somewhere. I think this is what I'm having, my lovely Virgos, for you people. I hope the readings are resonating. Do not forget to like, comment, to subscribe if you haven't yet, and rest is all of yours. Let's bring over a lot of subscribers so that we complete a wonderful 2K as well to our channel. Thank you.